Hey everyone, it's Joanna. I hope you enjoy this video and these tips on how to make your vinyl mugs dishwasher safe. I like to use my Cricut scraping tool to press firmly onto the decal, ensuring it will transfer safely onto my transfer tape. Turn your decal transfer tape face down and remove the back by folding it all the way over and rocking side to side, being very gentle that you're not pulling up any of your decal as you move. Place your decal onto your mug carefully, making sure to line it up and center it. I use my Cricut scraping tool to ensure my decal is pressed firmly into the mug. I never wait to remove my transfer tape. Just make sure that when you do, you're being very careful, going slowly so that you don't use any detail on your decal. Before applying the Mod Podge, you can hit your decal with the heat from an embossing gun. This will help the decal stick and lay flat. To ensure a proper seal, apply your dishwasher safe Mod Podge by brushing in all directions. Apply thin, even coats of Mod Podge, allowing about 30 minutes of drying time before applying your next coat. The directions on my bottle say 2 to 3 coats. I used 4 on this campfire mug. The dishwasher safe Mod Podge does take 28 days to cure. That may seem like a long time, but when you're promised protection from even a dishwasher, I think that it's very worth it. It also does leave a slight texture, but again, I think it's totally worth it for the protection. And here's how it looks after it's been curing for about 2 hours. Here is the mug I made using Holli Mostella's SVG. I'm a patron of hers and I absolutely love it. This mug has been through the dishwasher a few times on the top rack and it is still absolutely perfect. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future content.